calculate x. So 37 degrees is given angle B. Then how can we find x? Two sides are given. Which are the sides? Equal sides. AC is equal to CD. Given what? Given AC is equal to CD and BD is equal to AD. That is given. Angle B is equal to 37 also given. Angle B is equal to 37 degree. Then how can we find the other angles? Angle B is equal to 37 means which angle will be 37? Two sides are equal. So
Angle A,
Angle
B, D.
A.
angle A,
AB.
don't say A. Two angles are there in A. So which angle will be 37? We can't write directly.
DAB.
A means its whole angle, no.
DAB.
BAD will be 30. BAD will be
37.
37. Why? Because these two sides are equal means opposite angle. So BAD, therefore angle B is equal to, given angle B is equal to 37. Since angle B is equal to 37, we can say what? Angle BAD also will be 37 degree. Write down up to this. Write down. Completed? BAD is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
37. So we have to reach here, no? X. So 37 here means, don't bother about sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Instead of finding this angle, we can find this angle. Don't find this angle. This is what? If we consider triangle,
Exterior and
ABD, if we consider triangle
exterior.
ABD, angle ADC is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Exterior angle. This one will be the exterior angle. If we consider triangle ABD. So exterior angle is equal to what?
Sum of interior angles.
ADC is equal to sum of interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. Okay.
Opposite interior
Sum
angles.
of opposite interior angles. That means angle ADC will be equal to angle B plus angle
Angle
BAD.
B.
Which is equal to angle B, we have 37 plus that also 37.
Yes, that is.
Angle ADC will be what? ADC is equal to 37 plus 37, 74 degree. So this angle we got it as 74 degree. Any doubt up to this? Got it? 74. Also given which one? Also given CD is equal to AC. If we consider triangle ADC, consider triangle ADC. If we consider this triangle ADC, two sides are given. That means which two angles will be equal? CD. Angle opposite to side CD is which one? DAC. Angle DAC will be equal to AC, side AC. ADC. Angle ADC. Clear? Got it? We have what? We have angle ADC. Now we got it as what? 74 degree. Therefore, angle DAC also will be what? 74 degree. Since ADC is 74 degree, DAC also will be, this one will be what? 74 degree. Because the angle opposite to that particular sides are equal means opposite of that. Side AC is 74. So these two sides are equal. So angles also will be equal. So angle DAC is equal to 74 degree. So how can we find the angle X? That is angle C. That is X value. How can we find it? Same triangle ADC we are considering. Sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. So up to this completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Is it okay? Then same triangle we are considering sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means which two angles? A, D, C is equal to 180 degree. That is A means which A? D, A, C. Angle D, A, C. Don't write A. D. How can we write D? A, D, C. So A we have to write C. Angle ADC plus C angle means angle DCA. DCA. So DAC 74 degree plus ADC 74 degree plus DAC they gave it as X is equal to 180 degree. So 74 plus 74 144 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. Therefore X is equal to 180 minus 144 value.
Ma'am, 74 plus 74, 148.
148. Oh, sorry. 148. Okay. 148. 180 minus 148.
And X is equal to 32.
32. X is equal to 32 degree. Okay. So we have to find the value of X. X is equal to 32 degree. Then same way question number 2. Fourth, second one. Any doubt? Please raise your hands. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then same way do second one. Start. X, this is 50 degree. So these three sides are equal. 50 degree. A, B, C, D. Fourth, second part. Second one. So given angle B is equal to 50 degree. So also given what? Also given BD is equal to AD is equal to CD. So BD is equal to AD. If we consider triangle ADB,
Yes, BD is equal to AD.
ABD, BD is equal to AD means
To AD. So,
if you consider triangle, which angle will be? These two sides
angle B and angle A.
Angle BAD.
are BAD.
Angle BAD.
Since angle B is equal to 50 degree, angle
Degree.
BAD also will be what? 50 degree.
50 degree. As opposite sides are equal.
Since opposite sides are equal, so that angle will also be equal 50. Then same concept we can apply now. If you are considering triangle ABD, which will be the exterior angle?
Angle D. So 50
Angle
plus
D.
50. Sum
50
of
So
plus
50.
50.
interior angles
Sum of interior
equal to
angles is equal to
50 plus 50, 100.
Okay, so exterior angle or angle ADC is the exterior angle of triangle ABD. ADC is the angle ADC is the exterior angle of triangle ABD. Therefore, exterior angle ADC is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. So we can write angle ADC, that is angle ADC is equal to angle ADC, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite means which will be sum of opposite D ADC.
DAB.
Angle ABD. That means angle B, no, this one. Angle B plus angle A.
It's angle B plus
This angle, small angle A. That angle A means what angle? BAD.
CAD.
D.
D.
BAD. We wrote B as B itself. Write it as B itself. We don't have two angles there, no? So B itself is here. So 50 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to
50 degree is equal to 100 degree.
100. So angle, exterior angle ADC, we got it as 100 degree.
100 degree.
Again, if we consider triangle ADC,
ADC.
which two angles will be equal? Given DC is equal to what? AD. DC is equal to AD. If we consider this triangle, DC is equal to AD. That is DC means which angle?
Angle
Angle
DAC.
AD means
DAC.
angle C.
ACD.
DAC. Angle DAC
DAC.
DAC.
will be equal to angle C.
Angle
ACD.
DC, ACD. That is X. So this one, no? X, we can replace it as X. So angle DAC also will be what? DAC also will be X. That angles will be equal, isn't it? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Can I have? Consider triangle ADC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write what? A, D, C. These are the three angles, no? A, D, C. How can we write that? A. Angle D, A, D,
Angle DAC.
C.
DAC.
Plus
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 angle ADC.
ADC.
A, D, C. For your
ADC.
convenience, I am writing like this way, okay? Then angle C, that is enough.
Plus angle
C.
Angle C. If you want, you can write instead of angle C. If you want, you can write which one? Angle C should be center. So which one? C center.
angle DC.
DCA or which one? Angle ACD.
ACD.
CD. Both ways you can write angle C. Okay, so C is enough. So angle DAC is what? X plus ADC also. ADC is given as we got 100 plus angle C
100.
is equal to 180 degree. X plus X, 2x
2x.
plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 100. 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 by 2, which is equal to 40 degree. So x value we got it as 40 degree. Already we explained this question, these two questions starting. But you didn't write them. Any doubt? Just look at question number 1 and 2, 4, 1 and 2. Any doubt in which part you had doubt? Please tell me. Others, tell me. Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, watch the recorded video, okay? Then question number 5. B, O, C. These two angles equal. Those two angles equal. A, B, C. Here D. We have given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is given. We have to prove angle BOC. This one. Angle BOC is equal to angle ACD. We have to prove. BOC is equal to angle ACD. So we don't know these angles. These two are equal. If we take this x, what will be this? Let angle ABO is equal to x. We are assuming it is as x. ABO is equal to x. Then what will be angle OBC? If you are assuming this as x, what will be OBC?
X.
Why? Given
X.
these two
Because
angles
given.
are
Two angles are equal.
given in the question. Then angle OBC also will be x. Same way, let ACO. Let angle ACO is equal to y. Then angle OCB will be what?
Y.
OCB also will
Y.
be. These two angles are equal, then these two angles are equal. Write down up to this. Then consider triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Consider triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. No? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So how can we write angle A? Tell me. Angle A as angle A itself. Then represent angle B. Angle B we can write it as what? Look at the figure. Angle B. What I want to write in place of angle B?
2x.
Angle B is what? Angle B is x plus x. That is angle B is equal to x plus x 2x. Okay. Write in the working column. So angle B we can write it as 2x plus. Same way, what about angle C? Angle C is equal to y plus y. That is angle C is equal to 2y. So 2y is equal to 180 degree. So angle A will be what? 180 minus 2x minus 2y. Angle A. But we don't know. We want to find out angle A. So what we can do, or what we can do with that angle A? X and Y both equal or not? We want to check.
Since AB is equal to AC, angle ABC will also be equal to angle ACB.
Very good. That is given what? Given AB is equal to AC. Therefore, AB is equal to AC means which angle will be equal? Angle C will be equal to AC means angle B. No.
B.
Angle C will be equal to angle B. Okay. So we can say what? This is 2x, no? This is what? Angle C 2y is equal to 2x.
2y equal to 2x.
That means what?
2y is equal to 2y.
Dividing throughout by 2, we will get what? Y is equal to x. That is, x is equal to y. Both are
X is
same.
equal to 1.
X is equal to y. We have to find out which one. Angle BOC is equal to angle ACD. BOC we have to find out, and angle ACD also we have to find out. BOC, look at angle BOC. BOC, we have to prove what? Angle BOC is equal to what? Angle
ACD.
ACD. So if we are getting angle BOC as suppose 2x means ACD also we want to get it as what? 2x.
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 Then only we can
2x.
say angle BOC is equal to angle ACD. Or if you are getting 2x minus 1, this also you want to get it as 2x minus 1. So separate values we have to find out. BOC. If you want to find out angle BOC, which triangle we have to consider?
Triangle BOC.
Triangle BOC itself. Isn't it? We want to find out BOC means we have to consider triangle BOC. ACD we have to consider means which one we have to consider? ACD. ACD is the exterior angle. We have to consider triangle ABC. Then only we will get what? ACD. Okay.
Okay.
So ACD value we have to find out, angle BOC also we have to find out. We have triangle ABC. ACD is the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of opposite interior angles. Which are the opposite interior angles? If we are considering triangle ABC, ACD is the exterior angle. Exterior angle we have to find the value of exterior angle, this ACD. So exterior angle is equal to what? Opposite interior angles.
Angle A.
Angle A we have which one? 180 minus 2x minus y. Angle B also we have what? 2x.
2x.
So using that we can do, no? So right now, up to this completed? Up to this completed? So consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. Angle ACD is the exterior angle. Exterior angle of triangle ABC. Exterior angle ADC, not ACD, no? ACD is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That is, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. That is enough. No. Angle A plus angle B. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to, we got angle A. Tell me the value of angle A we got. What is that?
180 minus 2x minus 2y.
Minus 2y. That value is circle, that is better. Then only it will be easy for you to take that value and substitute here. For your convenience, now make it as a circle. Then it will be easy for you to study. For exam, don't do like that way. So 180 minus 2x minus 2y plus this value we got. We substitute that value. Angle B what? Angle B.
2x.
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 2x. So 2x we can cancel. So angle ACD we got it as 180 minus 2y. Let it be equation number 1. That say ACD now we got it as 180 minus 2y. Now we got ACD, no. Angle ACD we got 180 minus 2y. So we had to prove angle BOC ACD is equal to BOC. So what value we should get? BOC. BOC will also be, we should get BOC as, then only we
180
can say
minus 2y.
180 minus 2y. Then only we can say angle ACD is equal to angle BOC.
Both are equal.
Okay. So angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 2y, equation number 1. Then that part over ACD. We have to prove BOC angle means we have to consider triangle BOC. Next, consider triangle. Consider triangle BOC. Consider triangle BOC. Sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. So which are the angles? BOC is equal to 180 degree. Tell me the angles. Oh, B angle. So which are the angles I want to? Vertex you have to write.
Angle OBC.
OB
OBC
BC plus
plus angle BOC
angle BOC plus
angle OCB
OCB is equal to 180 degree. So OBC we have to find out or BOC we have to find out. Which one? BOC we have to find out. OBC. Substitute that. Look at the figure. OBC.
X.
X plus BOC we have to find out. Plus OCB.
Y.
Y is equal to 180 degrees. Then since we have 180 minus 2y. So instead of x, we have to replace it as since we proved what? Since we have
X equal to Y.
X is equal to y. We
X
can
is equal
replace
to
this
Y.
Replace
x
Y
as
as
y.
X.
Y plus angle BOC
Y
plus
plus
y is equal to
BOC plus
180
Y
degrees.
is equal to 180 degree.
Since median bracket you write down. Since x is equal to 1. Y plus y 2y plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 2y. And that will be equation number 2. Therefore, equating 1 and 2, angle ACD is equal to angle BOC. We proved ACD is equal to angle BOC. Why you are not responding? Feeling tough? Huh? Not getting the idea, no? Suddenly you are not getting the idea how to do. That is a problem. Hello?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
your problem? Tell me. What is your problem? Not getting.
Not getting fastly. After
Sometimes.
yes, but not getting
After explaining, you are getting or not? Or want to repeat? Tell me. After
No, ma'am. After explaining, we are getting.
speed, want to go slow. That's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
those who have
ma'am.
any problem, once again watch it. I think it is clear. No, 4th and 5th question. Sitting gloomy. Can I continue?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? At least tell me yes, please.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
4th and 5th question now okay. After my explanation, is
Yes,
it okay
ma'am.
for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't be upset. You will get study. One or two times write and study. Okay. Then after that you will get. Just look at that idea what we have to do. Then after that it is easy if you write one or two times. Then 6th question. In the figure given below, LM is equal to LN, angle PLN is equal to 110 degree, calculate angle LMN and angle MLN. So draw that figure, sixth one. MN. This is R, Q, P, L, O, yes. So angle P, L, N. So this angle is given as 110 degree. LM is equal to LN given. We have to find out LMN and angle MLN. MLN. This one we have to find out. Then LMN. LMN. This angle we have to find out. So for that, given. What are the things given? At least that you can say, no? Tell me. Given thing you can say, no?
Given LM is equal to LN.
Given LM is equal to LN and the angle.
Angle PLN is equal to 110 degree.
Okay. So for this we are considering, we have to find, we have which one? PLN, no. Whole angle we have. So we can consider this triangle model. Angle P is given, angle Q is given. Also given what? Also given? Tell me. One more clue is given there in the question, no? Also given. What is this square? What is the meaning of that?
90 degree.
Which angle? Angle P is equal to
Angle
90 degree.
Angle
P is equal
P
to
is
90
equal to
degree
90
and
degree,
angle
Q is
Q
equal
is equal to 90 degree.
So PQ, this L given. So we can find out N, no. If we consider this quadrilateral PLNQ. Sum of angles
Yes,
of a quadrilateral is what? Sum of angles of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. Sum of angles. Easy way to think. Make that quadrilateral as such two. Make that quadrilateral as 2. Anyone can complete my sentence.
triangle.
Oh, triangles.
Two
Two
triangles.
triangles. So what will be
So
the sum of angles of a
360
quadrilateral?
360 degree. 360 degree.
360 degree. That
360.
is triangle 180. Here also 180. 180 plus 180.
180 plus 180.
360.
360.
So sum of angles of a quadrilateral will be things like that way. Sum of angles of a
360.
quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So right now, consider quadrilateral PQNL. PQNL. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. That is angle P plus angle Q plus angle N plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. So substitute the values. Angle P, that you can say. I won't say. Open your mouth, tell me that value, substitute and find the value of L. Or find the value of N. Which one you have to find out?
Angle N.
Then do it.
90 degree plus 90 degree plus
90 degree plus 90 degree plus
110 degree.
90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus n we don't know. Angle n plus L we have 110 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So angle n plus 90 plus 90 plus 110.
290.
290 is equal to 360.
290 is equal to 360 degrees.
Angle n is equal to 360 degree minus
360
290.
minus 290.
So angle n is equal to equal to
70.
70 degrees.
70.
So this
70
angle we
degree.
want it as 70 degree. One clue is given. Given what? That is
LM is equal to LN.
that is L angle.
L is equal to
That is angle L N M. Now we got it as 70 degree. No, L N M. Also given what?
LM is equal to LN.
M is equal to Ln. So Lm is equal to Ln means Lm. Look at Lm.
Angle LNM equal to angle LMN.
Lm opposite is N. No. Ln means Ln opposite is M. So how can we write that? Angle Ln M will be equal to angle Lmn. Both are equal, no?
Yes, ma'am.
These
Yes, ma'am.
angles will be equal. We have Ln M is equal to Lnm is equal to 90 degree, which is equal to angle Lmn.
degree is
So
equal to LM.
Lmn also will be what? 70 degree.
70.
Lmn will be what? 70 degree. First part we got. Lmn is equal to 70 degree. Next, we have to find out what MLN. Total angle we have to find out this one only. Two angles we have 70, 70 we have.
180 minus 70 plus 70.
180 minus 70 plus 70.
Okay, consider triangle LMN. Sum of angles of a triangle. Equal to 180 degree. That is LMN is equal to 180 degree. That is angle L means MLN. No.
Yes, ma'am.
M
Angle LMN.
angle. Write properly angle and L. Okay. LMN.
LMN
And
plus
angle LNM.
LNM.
LNM. LNM. Angle also there. So we have to find out MLN. So angle MLN plus both angles we have no LMN. Look at the figure and write that is easy.
70 degree.
Plus
70 degree is equal to 180 degree.
as soon as you wrote this in this page means you copy that in your figure. Then it will be easy for you to do the next problem. Next step. Otherwise we want to search here no. So it is difficult. So angle MLN
Plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle MLN is equal to 180 minus 140 degree. 40 degree.
equal to 40 degrees. Okay. We can't complete this next lesson. Next lesson we can take tomorrow. Otherwise we can't complete. Now 9:40. Please look. Next question we can do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.